Okay, so I know that I didn't do an update on this outfit or the bundle that I sewed, but this is the outfit, the shirt in the shade. Gucci on Dotti. So every outfit that I usually do, it's all with this Gucci post okay. So the shade here, so I just use the same fabric, of course, like the shirt. And so what are you doing? The shade I usually go from 9 to 9.5 in width, and then the length, it all depends on how long you want it. Cụ đánh chân tấu nữa. If you never bite the Hmong, you guys would see it. But I cụ chỉ sấy đại mình sao cả. Cụ tự sờ đại ban đầu tôi số to cho fabric nó xin okay. Okay. When I cho a inside, cái cụ tự was exactly nó có cho số cho size nữa. But this is the full outfit. I hope you guys remembered I bandao no. Let me try to get it to focus. And so the outfit, I made it into like a medium large. The other, and then I'm gonna turn the mannequin around, you guys. So bear with me. And then kusay the regular that chaw told kusay the outfit na which you both so that chaw okay. So and it worked out just probably how I would want it, but not as perfect as I would like it. But yeah, this is the full outfit. Let me turn the mannequin around again. And yeah, so there you guys go. The outfit that I made with the pandao that I sewn a while back. Bye.